Experiencing a little windstorm here in down in Bahia. Hopefully our panga driver is going to be okay. At least one more boat still out there somewhere.
We've got half the boats out there still. Oh, the white cat, man. As far as you can see, man, the white cat. As far as you can see.
Yeah, he's going to be in for the ride of his life right here. Good.
All slipped on. That's what we got to do. That's kind
He's like, get me the fuck out of here. Oh.
Get your timing right, bud.
He's telling you, get out. Let's go, get out.
Move it.
Reach for the gunnel.
Time.
Don't put your hand on the side.
Timing's everything.
Nick, why are you all wet, bud?
Oh my God.
Come on, Nick. Come on, Nick.
Hurry.
Fast as you go, go. Come on.
Go. Don't hesitate.
Go.
Oh my God. Everything's timing.
Yeah, this wind is sure tearing us up.
Is he really? Larry, that boat was underwater and the motor started.
Yeah.
Tree is still in the water. He fell off the ponga twice. Don't want to record that. Trini's a great guy. Got Trini out there on one of the pongas, which is not good.
No life jacket.
Oh, Trini, get back in a big boat. Trini's a hell of a guy. I'm going to stop this. I want to see what. All right, this is all the pongas have sunk on us. Look at this. There goes Larry. Larry, say hi to the camera.
Hi, camera.
Ricky.
There's our boat.
Our ponga sunk right there, right next to the mothership. We're trying to salvage what we can. Terrible storm hit us. Larry and I were lying in bed, not together, but when they hit, he was crying.
Marco saved me.
Yeah, that's what he said.
It was glorious.
Everybody's blaming the charter man. We're trying to get to that furthest tip out there. That's Gonzaga Bay for refuge. All of a sudden, the Santa Ana winds came in, they say, and it's tearing everything up on us. It doesn't look bad right now, but we're got into this little cove, but you get out to the ocean and it's just, it's a mother. Sorry. Second time this has happened to us on this trip. Ponga breaks off and starts sinking due to the rough weather. We got 6 to 10 foot swells going on out here. It's crazy. I'm gonna try to get this Ponga situated. We're just trying to get back to San Felipe. It's Thursday. The weather took a turn on us. Look at that. It's amazing. Somewhere no one's been hurt. Just a lot of bruised egos.
They're trying to hook that fucking boat. This is gonna be great.
Now.
Oh, who the? There we go, the motor. That's a good one.
There we go.
Oh, what a great idea. What a great idea. Yeah, reel. 2 speed. That was good, Matt. Solid.
I'm amazed how that fucking see, hey, now going up. No, that one, that like even the hook of that first Ponga that's under the water a lot. Which one?
Alright, we found them. One's almost under the water. Oh, that's actually my Ponga too. God damn it, number 5. Looks like we lost 2 of our Pongas that were towing behind us. We had 9. We got 7 right now. Trying to recover 2 of them if we can. One we saw a second ago and it was pretty much all the way under the water. I tried to get it by a rope. So I might sink the other one too. We're coming around to try and find it. Pretty tough in these seas though. Yeah, there was 4 on this side. There's only 2 now. storms get a little worse. We're in probably 10 to 12 foot seas right now. Looks like one of our pangas in the back about to go under. Almost full of water back there. If we stop, it's definitely going to go into the water. Trying to get to Gonzaga Bay for a little shelter. See what we can do. You can see here's the top of the boat. There's the water. We get a good wave. We'll see how big it is. Oh, there we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So yeah, it's about 12 feet probably. Do a little more, give or take. All right. Well, we'll see how this goes. Wish us luck. Kevin going. Yes. Oh, there you go.
Taking off from our little refuge that we've been at for the last day and a half due to the weather. Still windy as hell. It's kind of scary going back out to the ocean like this, but gotta get home. Get my phone wet.